Hi, it's a gorgeous day here today and I'm just doing an oil infusion with some calendula petals that I've dried. So I'm using a recycled jam jar. One of my favourite types of jam was in here. So just need to pour in the calendula petals into the jar and then use any liquid oil. So today I'm going to use some sunflower oil that you buy from the supermarket. You might want to use olive oil, you might want to use sweet almond oil. So I'm going to pour in some oil over all the petals and then add the lid, and what I normally do is leave it in a sunny windowsill to kind of kick start the infusion process, and then I'll leave it in there for up to a week before I use it in my soap making recipes or any balms that I'm making. And calendula is a really good ingredient for soothing your skin. This is one I prepared earlier. You can see the difference in the colours, the lovely yellow infusion there of the calendula into the sunflower oil. Thank you.